So, we will explore what asthma is, its causes, common symptoms, and most importantly, how to manage it effectively with the homeopathic treatment. So, we will discuss about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of asthma in kids. So, if you are if your kid is suffering from asthma, then this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. Now let's understand the meaning of childhood asthma. So asthma is a chronic respiratory condition that affects the airways in the lungs. When it occurs in children, it is known as childhood asthma. It can causes reoccurring episodes of wheezing, breathlessness. The exact meaning of childhood asthma. I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll talk about the causes and the triggering factors. So asthma is influenced by a combination of genetics and environmental factors. Children with a family history of asthma or allergies are at a higher risk. And common triggers include allergens like pollens, dust mite, respiratory infections, tobacco smoke, air pollution, and even exercises. So these are the causes and the triggering factors for asthma. Now we'll talk about the symptoms, that is, what are the clinical features of asthma in kids. So, first and the foremost symptom is wheezing. Wheezing is a high pitched whistling sound when breathing. Second symptom is shortness of breath. The child may struggle to catch their breath, especially during physical activity. Next symptom is coughing. Persistent coughing, especially at night or early morning. And next symptom is chest tightness. A sensation of tightness or a discomfort in the chest can be felt by your kid. So these are some features. So these are some symptoms which are experienced by kids who have asthma. Next, we'll talk about the treatment. So, what is the ultimate treatment for asthma in children's? So, yes, we are talking about the homeopathic medicines and homeopathic treatment for the asthma in children's. So, let's talk about the homeopathic remedies for asthma in children's. So, homeopathic medicines for the asthma in children's help manage the tendency of chronic reoccurrences. These homeopathic medicines also reduce the frequency and the intensity of the asthma symptoms where required, where required, homeopathy also focuses on addressing allergic tendencies, which are a cause of asthma, by moderating the immune system. These medicines are made up of natural substances and these don't have any side effects and can be treated in a safe and effective manner. So, homeopathic treatment for asthma can be used alongside conventional medicines in acute cases of asthma. In case of acute asthma, it is necessary to get conventional help like an inhaler in case of extreme shortness of breath, and this provide immediate relief to the child and can be followed by homeopathic medicines for the shortness of breath. Now we'll talk about the top homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of asthma in children's. So first and the foremost medicine is Sambucus. So Sambucus is one of the top best homeopathic medicine for asthma in children. Sambucus tends to bring remarkable recovery in the cases of childhood asthma. Nightly suffocated attacks of asthma in children are the key indicators to use this medicine. The child suddenly gets up at night, feels suffocated, and along with suffocation, the child is restless and cranky. A cough with excessive difficulty in breathing, the expulsion of a small amount of tough mucus, nasal obstructions are a typical symptoms. Now, second medicine for asthma for children is natrum sulph. So, natrum sulph is an excellent homeopathic medicine used to treat asthma in children. It is a constitutional homeopathic medicine that is highly suitable for treating asthma in children. This medicine works toward eradicating the chronic tendency of asthma in children. A child needing natrum sulph has a cough, dyspnea, and rattling mucus in the chest. An expulsion of green colored mucus may be noted. Asthma triggered by cold and exertions, and asthma that worsens in damp weather are the symptoms indicated of using natrum sulph. Now, third medicine for asthma in children is arsenic album. So, arsenic album is an important homeopathic medicine frequently used to treat asthma in children. Asthma with extreme difficulty in breathing is treated well with this medicine. The child cannot breathe comfortably due to constricted air passages. He or she put great effort to breathe normally. Cough is attended with a difficult expulsion of the mucus and wheezing in the chest. So this homeopathic medicine arsenic album is mostly used to treat asthma that worsens upon going to bed or during midnight. Next homeopathic medicine is cupromet. So, cupromat is another useful homeopathic medicine for treating asthma with a spasmodic cough. Here, child get a strong, violent fits of cough that ends in vomiting. The child feels suffocated, has difficulty in breathing with a cold face and blue lips. Drinking water can also help relieve the cough. White mucus can be expelled, and difficulty in respiration along with the whistling occurs. A pressure or constricted sensation in the chest may occur. Asthmatic attacks when walking quickly is also indicated to use homeopathic medicine cupromet. Next homeopathic medicine is antimony tart. So antimony tart is a well-indicated homeopathic medicine for the asthma, which is accompanied with cough and rattling of the mucus in the chest. The airways seems overloaded with mucus. The chest is intensely congested with great rattling of mucus. Cough is present all the time without an expulsion of sputa. There is a shortness of breath and a sensation of suffocation can be present. Next homeopathic medicine, that is Spongia tosta. Spongia tosta is an excellent homeopathic medicine for asthmatic cough. The key feature is to use Spongia tosta as dry cough with wheezing in the chest. The cough is extremely dry, deep, and bark like. It is present all day and night. Last homeopathic medicine for asthma in children is Hipersulf. So, Hipersulf is a prominent homeopathic medicine for asthma that gets worse in the cold air. Following exposure to the cold air, the child get a cough along with difficulty in breathing and wheezing. The cough is loose with mucus in the chest, an expulsion or yellow colored phlegm may occur. The cough gets worse in the morning, and consuming cold drinks makes cough worse. So these are the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of asthma in children. So, in conclusion, I only want to say that childhood asthma is a common but manageable condition. With the right knowledge, a solid support system, and a well structured asthma action plan, your child can lead a full and active life. Remember, early diagnosis and appropriate management are key to ensuring your child breathe easy. So if you find this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Thank you for joining us today and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and if you are suffering from any health illnesses or your children is suffering from asthma, then you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen you can see how you can contact us for online consultations. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.